Hello and welcome to Mask Making with Ciwana. So Corinna is still keeping us all very busy, and in Germany we have to wear masks now when we go to the supermarket or take the train or the bus or anything or are in public. I have one mask that I got as a present, which is very nice. However, we need more of them, and also this pattern is not perfect, so I think there are better patterns out there. So I thought I will just take you to my sewing machine and we will try this out. I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, I've been using this baby a couple of times, but I'm definitely not perfect. I have my mobile phone, so I can actually put on a YouTube tutorial. No idea how the mask will be turning out, no idea how this video will be turning out. I hope it's fun. So basically the tutorial says the first step is to cut out two rectangles. One is 25 times 19 centimeters, the other one is 19 times 19 centimeters. I discovered that I forgot half of the stuff that I need, so sorry. I actually got myself some paper that I don't need anymore and a ruler, and so I will now put this on this paper and then afterwards on the textile so that we can cut it out. Can't talk anymore, very sorry. Maybe let's just try it and see how it goes. So sorry for the leger look and everything that is kind of random going on. I mean, all I put on was pretty much lipstick on my face to feel a bit better in front of the camera. I'm in home office with two kids. Probably you can hear the baby at the moment in the background. So my boyfriend, fiance, is so nice to actually take care of them, so I can actually make some masks. I mean, he's also profiting from it because he needs masks as well. So I got a bit of free time to do this now. Feels really nice. Feels like vacation. So how are you actually doing? Do you enjoy being at home, making a lot of banana bread and discovering how you're doing home workouts and stuff? Or is it more like Netflix, chips, and not doing a lot? I feel like we are kind of in between. I mean, obviously we have kids, so it's a bit more difficult and we can't be just like chilling, doing nothing. I just tried to stick to my workout routines because otherwise I'm probably gonna go mad. I really need my sports and I love it. Actually, what was really nice was that 2 days ago, actually filming me and Lady Flauschig with the MDR team, which was super nice. I mean, television needs to be running because people need something to keep their minds busy and we don't want to hear about Corinna all the time. So we got actually special work allowance so that she could visit me and film a little documentary airing around Wave Gothic Driven, which is also a very difficult thing because officially allowed there are no events allowed, but the people who are organizing Wave Gothic Treffen are a bit hesitant to say that Wave Gothic Treffen is not happening. But that's not the point what I wanted to be talking about. The point is we were allowed to visit each other because we got a special work allowance, and it was so nice for myself and for her and for our mental health to at least have somebody and to do a little bit of fun stuff. I mean, every country is at a different kind of state. Every country has kind of like different rules. Some are in a worse lockdown than other countries. Germany is still okayish when it comes to the measurements. It's definitely better than like in Italy, and also our the number of infections we have is compared to other countries pretty low and already falling down. They are now lifting the measurements actually pretty soon. A tiny bit. For us, the most important thing is actually that the kindergarten will be opening hopefully somewhere, and the playgrounds, because for the kids I think it's the worst. Kids need other kids, and that's how they learn. That's how they learn how to interact socially. That's how they play. And actually I finished the next step, so I need to look now back to the tutorial and see how it was done, because I can't remember stuff anymore. But first, I need a bit more caffeine because I'm a mother and I'm a goss and I just need caffeine, otherwise I'm not surviving this. I hope I actually have more of this here over here because otherwise I need to produce it. Let's see. Nope. Empty. I already forgotten how to do this stuff, pretty much. It's been a long time since I used this baby. I think for like Wave Gothic Craft 2 years ago or something. When I tried to make outfits that looked... I'm not the best at sewing. I tried a lot, and I just figured it's not my thing. My brother's actually really good. And I don't know what I'm doing with my life. But as I'm following this tutorial, it seems like I need to iron soon. It's also one of the things that I'm not really good at. So please, just work. I think I actually have it the wrong way around. Turn it the wrong way around. I need to be this. It's starting really good. I'm nervous. Okay, is it turned on? No, it's not turned on. Can you see me still? No, you can't. So 10 minutes later, I fixed the ring light, I found more cables and stuff, and oh my god, so much happening. But we can finally continue with the mast, and so there, 1 centimeter from the corner. I'm actually happy that I didn't burn myself on the iron, because today is just, it's random. I actually feel like I should have checked beforehand the materials I need, because now it says I need a, don't know how it's called in English, in German it's Draht, so I will put on the word here. I need this, and I don't know whether I have any, so should have checked before I followed the tutorial. That's the thing with YouTube tutorials. Oh dear. That's this date at the moment, and now let me check whether I find some Draht somewhere. So I actually found some of this. Now I need to get it to 15 centimeters. So I also have this here, so that is a toolbox for stuff, and oh dear, it's actually more difficult than I thought. It's actually not difficult, but still. I need a lot of stuff. An iron. And this here also. So 15 centimeters. German average or something? 15 centimeters, and bam! And then I need to put it somewhere in here. So I want them to look like this. So this is actually something for the nose, so that it sits nicer on your face. So I will put it in here. Okay, this is actually the most difficult part. Sorry about being so quiet, but just really try to do my best to not break the stuff here. Done. Okay, this is not looking how it's supposed to be looking. I feel like it needs fixing up. This is exciting. Very exciting. And my battery is also dying. This camera already died. This one is about to be dying. I'm just taking too long. Not good at it. Sorry. Oh my god. Yeah, this is definitely going to be my mask. I'm not going to give this to anyone. What follows next? I'm very nervous. So sad. I feel like I'm messing up. Okay, let's be honest, this first side looks awful, and it went awful, and what am I doing? I will try now the second side, and I just hope I'm doing it a tiny bit better now. Maybe it's a textile, it's very flexible, maybe that was maybe that's the issue. Wow, okay, and now I'm having way too many of those little tiny tangle things. And that's a mask, apparently. Not too happy, but whatever. As long as my face is covered, that's okay. So I just need to get now some flexible string for my ears, and then we managed to do it. Wow, even though it doesn't look good. Never promised it would be looking good, but okay. That's life at the moment. I mean, it's blue and black, black and blue, so it doesn't really fit together, but I just want to keep my mouth shut, covered. I mean, it's Corona time, so no hairdresser open, no nail salon open, not that I would be using it, no gym open, so we are all looking weird. Wow, worked. I'm amazed. And so this was making masks with me. I hope you find it enjoyable, or at least funny, to watch me being desperate with this mask. I need to do now a couple of more of them. Maybe once I got into it I will still start selling them online and I'm be good at it. No, I'm not. I'm definitely not a sewing person, but I'm very happy that I made one. This is at least enough for going out to get groceries. So see you next Wednesday. There will be a lot of new dance videos definitely coming. So I'm working on a major project, and there will be a couple more one takes, and I'm rambling. So I'm sorry. See you on Wednesday evening. Have a nice week. Stay happy, healthy, as good as possible. See you around. Bye.